Ahi thea la sok se mi dai el you hi bolo di bin avel vel kan din kinin he. Music. Moving on, contestant number 14, Lung Ding Lane Ho Kim.
Hey Mahi, ani awal sih. Lalu ini, dogin nabi ni ada kasim sa. Unum le bilin nilo. Officer ini nabi na uncu tale. Pan nasa tala cone hi. Ayin latu ni kuhin lagi ni bopam kasum koi. Ayin kamu do kacim piam tile. Tu generation ahi. Lekha bo sima lo linding bo kina hi. Awun di kon cicu kay makuna kamu do hi. Dengan mereka timna ini, Cina timna ibu orang Lampia ini, ikau kah ini society ini, kata ibu bibi nak help ini, katu and never give up. Lastly, but not the least, follow your dream and success will follow you. Ekipaye, kunci baik.
Thank you, contestant number 14, Lung Ding Lane Ho Kim. Next we have contestant number 5, Francis Tungdeo.
Good evening, Kampupi. आज इस साइड के लिए इन बड़ी ना opportunity tamta घूमने से अब वो ना ही तम जो है कि फटलम सी माइन में अगर मन सुखा है ना हो तो नहीं दियो है
Untuk mana ada?
jadi ये मार्केट के लाम नहीं ना
Untuk mana?
इसे इन्हों पेनु चुप है ये supporting हम कोई कहीं कुत्ते हाउस आउं कोई मैं difficult थे कोई मैं support थे कोई excuse साकी चाय अरे ये में ये मार्केट के लिए ना थिलपाई के लिए थिलपाई पिंग थिलसी के लिए थिलसी पिंग अगर कर ले थिलपाई के लिए बन थिलसी पिंग थिलसी के लिए तुम ले भाई आबाद थिलपाई पिंग ना किन्हें uploading in we don't have to anticipate things we can't control अच्छा इनाक से इन्हों कंचु गोलन ना नहीं पाले किहलना नहीं दिए पचन ना नहीं पाले लोहिना नहीं पाले क्या बेनिफिट ना मंदी है Thomas Jefferson, 3rd President of the United States. The more I work, the more love I seem to have at the end. Good evening, Kampupi. Thank you. Good night.
And this contestant number 5, Francis Tungdeo. And next we have contestant number 10, Lung Ding Lane Ho Kim.
The serviceman is a service to God. As a person, I inspired Moses, Mother Teresa, because she left her country, she left her luxurious life. She left everything and traveled to a country and came to help other people who are in need of sick. As a woman, as a person, nobody would do that. And the most valuable person in my life is my parents. I always want to see them happy. I don't want to see tears on their face. And as a person, I love traveling. And if I win this title, wherever I travel, wherever I go, Thadou Festival, Hun Festival ka choy sandi. Thank you.
Next contestant number 15, Aukin Kai Guide. Take your time, please.
I am a teetotaler, abstaining from all forms of intoxicants and alcohol. And it's very challenging to live in an environment where drinking and smoking are considered a social status. Many seem to spend their fun time trying to convince me to have a drink or smoke. They didn't realize that once you consume alcohol, it becomes a habit rather than a pleasure. So to all my brethren out there, it is high time we stop indulging in it. Fact is, the more you take, the less you give. Quit now and be a pioneer for others to follow. And remember, we all deserve to live long. Kamnatia lok chu miching a hitboy.
Next, we have contestant number 9, Hangminlal Tautan.
Being a middle class citizen, I would like to open my statement with poverty. A disease that kills millions of people all around the world. Truly caught by Nelson Mandela. Stay and never give up in your dreams. Thank you.
That was contestant number 9, Hangminlal Tautan. Now we have contestant number 7, Minlal Hokip.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dream is a strong word. We get knocked down many times chasing our dream. At times, we want to quit and give it up. Many people get hits in life, but most of us never hit it back. So, self-control to get back up from our past and focus on a goal. Remember, we all have as Mr. Hun. So sorry, thank you.
Contestant number 7, Minlal Hokip, thank you. Now, the very last contestant of our top 10 finalists, contestant number 16, Hokilal Mr.
All I'm going to say is I live by a moral code. That is to enjoy the small things in life, enjoy the gift of family, the gift of friends, and to put our Lord Jesus Christ in front of and seize every moment of my life and make it extraordinary. On this special occasion, I would like to convey a special message to all the women folk. Do not let our patriarchal society even eagles fly above the sky, even when it rains. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, contestant number 16, Hokilal Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Top 10 finalists of Mr. Thadou 2021. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the top 10 finalists of Mr. Thadou 2021. And now we'll have top 10 finalists Miss Thadou 2021 in no particular order. Top 10. Contestant number 20, Rufina. Contestant number 20, Rufina. Kim Boy Name Chongloi. Contestant number 11, Lamnei Ba Mate. Contestant number 5, Naomi Mendoza Hoki. Contestant number 6, Anjali M.Y.M. Hoki. Contestant number 24, Maria Chinchoy Hoi Hoki. Contestant number 13, Mahoy Chong Hoki. Contestant number 12, Hingdei Han Chongloi. Contestant number 18, Nei Hoi Chin Chongloi. And contestant number 17, Priscilla Hoki. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you a top 10 finalists of Miss Thadou 2021. A big round of applause for them, please. Nipin Mawasau Sing Papi Wite. Miss Thadou top 10 finalists will be having their opening statement, and to open the statement, I would like to call on contestant number 20, Rufina, to take it back.
I stand before you this evening, not only as a contestant of Miss Thadou, but also as a strong supporter of feminism. I've always lived up to my faith in humanity, mutual understanding, and respect for others. We live in a patriarchal society where women are still stereotyped as individuals who are not able to make good decisions for themselves. If I become your next Miss Thadou 2021, it will show that by coming here, I made the right decision for myself. And I will be a channel of hope and compassion for the society. As Women Festival is also the time when the labors of women are acknowledged, let us keep alive this beautiful tradition of upholding the women. Thank you.
That was contestant number 20, Rufina. Next we have contestant number 15, Kim Boy Name Chongloi.
I believe what our society needs is a progressive leader to bring changes at as basic as education. As a teacher, I stand for a good quality education of children. Moreover, encourage who are in need to unlock their capabilities and help them realize their own unique potential. Because every children deserve to have the dreams of their own. Yes, not a given dreams, but the dreams of their own, where the sky is the limit. Thank you!
Next we have contestant number 11, Lamneiva Mate.
I believe that beauty contests have an impact on women empowerment because they give young girls to be heard on different levels. And I want to inspire all the young girls out there that just believe in yourself, have confidence. If you have confidence, if you believe in yourself, nothing can stop you. Just be who you are regardless of what others might see you. and be who you want to be. Thank you.
And next contestant number 5, Naomi Nezoza Mauke.
It is said that girls with dreams become women with vision. And I, for one, dream to live a life less ordinary and believe in the beauty of my dreams that one day I'll be served in our motherland, India, as an army officer. Joining the National Cadet Corps has taught me the importance of cultivating the core values of an elite youth, that is, the spirit of unity and discipline, humanity and its responsibilities. We're not here to be small, to compare, to judge, to fit in or to be perfect. We're here to grow, to learn, to be better, to love, to be human, to be our own bliss, and to manifest our reality. Let us fight, work really hard for what we believe in, and never give up. Because there's victory in defeat when we give it our all, and luck never betrays hard work. Always believe in yourself and rock it. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 5, Naomi Nezoza Mauke. Moving on, we now have contestant number 6, Anjali Melhoi Mauke.
Coming from a very humble background, I've been deprived from lots of opportunities and privileges and felt impossible to dream big. However, today, education opens doors to endless opportunities and privileges. And as an ex-teacher, I strongly believe education is the single best tool to mold our society. I would like to promote a better education in our society and spread awareness by using my platform. In future, I hope to contribute my part to better education by being a model civil servant. Lastly, I lived by 2 principles and I want to share with each one of you tonight. The first one is to be dedicated to your dreams without excuse and to never doubt the power of prayer. Thank you.
That was contestant number 6, Anjali Melhoi Mauke. Now we have contestant number 24, Maria Chimchoi Hoi Mauke.
Every step you take reveals a new horizon. You have taken the first step today. Now I challenge you to take another. Well said by Dan Ponton. I'm Maria Hokib, and I always thought that pageants are only for outstanding women. But it was my father who always boosted my confidence and always told me to face my fear. And with that, I took the first opportunity, fighting my fear in Miss Good Channel 2019. And with all the blessing, I was crowned the winner. And that is exactly why I want to challenge every one of us to fight our fear of the impossibility over our capability. And that's what will make us invincible. And during my high school, college, everywhere I go, I took the initiative to take a leadership because I believe the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And that's how I train myself towards my dream, a dream to be an inspiration for many.
That was contestant number 24, and now we have contestant number 30, Mahoi Chong Hauke.
And of course, to our respected judges, good evening. Diagnosed with last stage of tuberculosis that killed many. When everyone had given up hope on me, I decided to believe in me. I decided to fight for myself, and I won. And here I am standing in front of you all, competing to win the title of Miss Thadou 2021. So this is my message to each and every one of you. Giving up is easy, but believing in yourself and constantly fighting will bring you joy and success. So if I can do it, I know you can do it too. Thank you!
Next, we have contestant number 12, Hing Dae Han Chong Loi.
Every creature is unique, every human is beautiful. We are all God's masterpiece. And here I am standing here as a contestant number 12, Miss Lingdei Hen Chongloi. As a woman, you have to dream big. On our way to this journey, I have faced a lot of discouragement and challenges, but I stand here firm. All we need to do is just believe in ourselves. And last but not the least, remember, all dreams are valid. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 12, Lingdei Hen Chongloi. Contestant number 18, Nei Hoi Jin Chongloi.
Good evening, Kangui! And of course, to our respected jury members. Well, when I first started my journey in beauty pageant, my ultimate goal was to wear tiara. But as time passed, I realized that it's not just about winning. But what matters the most is inspiring young stars in our society through these types of platforms. Many people might also question my participation in this contest, having won many titles in the past. Well, my message is, every experience makes you grow. On my recent visit to Agapi Children's Home here in Kangui, I had enlightened the children about the importance of education and its impact. And tonight, if I were to be crowned as Miss Thadou, I will carry the crown with utmost dignity, as it's not only a pleasant title, but a great responsibility. I'd like to use my voice to promote this festival in every way possible, so that many recognize and see the beauty of our rich tradition and culture. Lastly, but definitely not the least, thank you so much.
Thank you, contestant number 18, Nei Hoi Jin Chongloi. Now the very last contestant of our top 10 finalists, we have contestant number 17, Priscilla Hauke.
I want to take an example of a person whose life was filled with ignorance, self-doubts, and uncertainty. That's exactly how my life has been. My journey is about courage and daring to be different. Courage because people treat you the way you treat yourself. Daring to be different because your better self is the best gift to society. I personally took interest in social service and aspired to work in the administration sector because I believe in the power of teamwork and joint efforts, which is also the present need of our society. Lastly, your one decision can change the life of others and those around you. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our top 10 finalists of Miss Thadou 2021. Nibizong si Kutyapyuiting Kipapyuiting! Mipide na sim tàu vong
Machin ka ba?